We begin tonight with Military Matters. It is a system to fight the threat of missiles worldwide, and now Fort Hood soldiers have the tools to train with Terminal High Altitude Area Defense Systems, or THAAD. Channel 6 military reporter Jillian Angeline got a chance to get up close and personal with some of the equipment today. Jillian.
Hey Doug, the 69th Air Defense Artillery Brigade Echo Battery received the THAAD equipment just in last month, but they've been studying up to prepare for more hands-on training in September. THAAD has made international headlines just in the last few weeks, as the U.S. just recently tested another THAAD system in Alaska.
And as the Army is improving, just as the whole military is improving technologically, it's important that we do so as well here in air defense. And that's what THAAD is. THAAD is the next, it's the next piece of equipment that's going to be able to provide good protection.
This may look like a regular set of Army trucks, but when they're on and operational, they are a force to be reckoned with in missile defense.
The inert missiles right there on the back of the truck. As you see, the 8. 4 up top, 4 down bottom.
We have all the radios for our links, which we receive tracks and J-series messages for, so that we can see the tracks and also let the other people know that we're working with the joint forces such as the Air Force or the Navy.
Fort Hood's Air Defense Artillery soldiers would normally train with the system in a place like Fort Bliss, but with the system in place now in Central Texas, they're getting ready to train at the range with non-active, inert missiles.
We do a lot of simulations that to get the soldiers ready for that. If we were to be deployed and needed to use the equipment, they'll be ready.
It takes a site crew of about 15 people to get all the parts running. The radar, the launch control system, the launcher, the generator, among other pieces. Communication is key, and it can involve a very fast chain of command, from the battery level to the brigade and then all the way up to the Secretary of Defense if action is needed. A chain that can happen in minutes, according to the air defense soldiers. And with the machine condensed into vehicles, the THAAD system will be ready to move wherever the Echo battery needs to deploy.
There's a lot of different areas in the Middle East and Southeast Asia that are of potential. And then, of course, you know, in the news, there's always talk about South Korea and, you know, the threat there.
Now, once the platoon gets to a location, it can take an hour or even less to set the THAAD system up. The soldiers in the 69th Air Defense Brigade tell me allies of the U.S. will appreciate that added protection wherever they go. Doug, back to you.
All right, Jillian, thank you very much.